how to fix Starbucks not working on Android. If you want to fix if your Starbucks is not working on Android, then it's fairly simple for us to fix it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and then first check if our Wi-Fi internet connection is working fine. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, on an Android phone, what you can do is long press the Starbucks app icon. You'll find various options where you can tap on this eye icon that says app info, which will take you to the app information page. From here, you can just go to the tab called storage usage, and you can clear the cache files and you can clear the data, which will reset the application. And after that, go to your Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, try searching for Starbucks. Check if the Starbucks app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.